Hey guys, welcome back to Summer Lunch Plus at Home. I'm so happy to see all the new faces in the Google Classroom, and I can't wait to meet all of you. I want to hear how your first week went, so be sure to send me photos of recipes you've made and tell me about the activities you tried. Last week, you learned about kitchen and food safety. This week, we're going to be learning about the journey from seed to table. Many of us buy our food from the grocery store without thinking about how it got there. We want to teach you how food is grown, harvested, and travels from around the world to your plate. This week is super special because you're going to be growing your own food with another member of the Summer Lunch Plus team, Cassie. Today, I'm going to be making with you yogurt parfaits with homemade granola and fresh strawberries.
Parfaits may be the most delicious thing on the whole damn planet.
You know, I think
This is the perfect summer snack or breakfast and can be personalized to your liking. What's unique about this recipe is that almost all the ingredients are grown in Ontario. This includes oats, yogurt, honey, and you know these local parfaits are going to turn out delicious because
good things grow in Ontario.
the equipment you'll need to make the parfaits is a large baking sheet coated with cooking spray, a large bowl, a fork, a spoon, 5 cups or bowls for serving, dry measuring cups, liquid measuring cups, measuring spoons, a knife, and a cutting board. What you'll need is 1.5 cups quick oats, 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and optional 1/4 cup of your favorite mix-ins, coconut or dried fruit or even chocolate chips. Today, I'm going to be using coconut. Before we start assembling the ingredients, you're going to need to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to grab a grown-up helper to put things into the oven and take them out. Then we're going to coat our baking tray with cooking spray. And then set it aside. In our large bowl, we are going to add our oil and honey. Honey is really sticky, so a tip I learned is you always measure the honey in an oil-coated measuring cup. This way, when you pour out the honey, it'll slide right out of it. Now, we're going to add to that our 1/4 teaspoon of salt and cinnamon. Now, we're going to add in our 1.5 cups of quick oats and our 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds. This is the basic recipe for granola. If you want, you can add in any fun mix-ins. Today, I'm going to add in my coconut. Now we're going to mix it up and make sure everything is completely coated in the wet mixture. This mixture looks nice and sticky, so now we're going to transfer it to our baking tray and pop it in the oven. The tray is ready to go in the oven for 20 minutes total. After 10 minutes, we're going to take it out, check on it, mix it up, and put it back in. I love the summer months. Not only is it perfect weather for going outside, but it's also when tons of fruits and veggies are harvested. My favorite summertime treat are strawberries. We're so fortunate that they grow in Ontario because it means it takes a lot less time and energy to go from the field to our plate. We support local farmers, and you might even get to pick your own one day. Now, remembering my claw hand, I'm going to slice 15 washed strawberries into bite-sized pieces. Did you know that in Ontario, we produce 15 million pounds of strawberries? Can you even imagine that many strawberries? The last ingredient you need to make parfaits is 2.5 cups of yogurt, sweetened to your liking. Options to sweeten include honey, date syrup, maple syrup, or jam. Or you could buy it pre-sweetened from the store. Now we're going to assemble our parfaits. I like to use clear bowls or cups so you can see all the beautiful layers of the parfait. So what you want to do is do layers of yogurt, strawberries, and granola until you have 6 full layers. So first I'm going to take some yogurt and I'm going to settle that on the bottom of the parfait cup. Make sure that's all smooth. Then we're going to add some strawberries. Just spread those out. We're going to use our clean hands to help us out. And we're going to top it with a couple scoops of granola. And then, because we want a nice, tall, and full parfait, we're going to repeat that process. Your whole family is going to love these parfaits. If you have leftovers, I recommend storing the granola at room temperature in a container for up to 2 weeks, and the yogurt and the strawberries in separate containers in the fridge. Don't assemble the parfaits too far in advance because they'll become soggy. To find this recipe and many others, visit summerlunchplus.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram for updates.